As they come around that bend there, it is indeed Daryl Impey, the man that wore the yellow jersey in the Tour de France, the first African ever, trying to lead out the man he took the yellow jersey from, his own teammate Simon Gerrans, who wants the bonuses. Gerrans is jumping onto the back wheel of Andre Greipel. There's going to be no stopping Andre Greipel, though. And Gerrans is going to take him on. This is an incredible ride if he gets it. And I think he did. Simon Gerrans has just pulled off one of the greatest wins of his career. He took on Greipel and he beat him.
Just like in last year's Tour de France, he took on Sagan, he beat him. Similar sort of situation. He's taken on Greipel here on a finish that it suits Simon down to the ground, but he's taken on one of the fastest sprinters in the world, one of the most powerful men to ever step onto a bike, and beaten him.
Well, Simon Gerrans, I mean, we're talking about the sprinters. We're talking about Andre Greipel, and you, a week after winning the national championships, pop out of the pack like that.
Yeah, well, I guess I've surprised a few today, myself included. Yeah, obviously Andre's one of the fastest guys going around, so I'm pretty pleased to be able to get over him on the line there. But it was a tough final. Everyone was pretty tired coming to the finish, so I thought that might have taken the sting out of his legs just a little bit, and I left my sprint really late. It was also a headwind. I was just able to get by him.
Quite astute, though, the second time through Bethany, jumping out of the pack for a single second. You realise this race is about seconds. Yeah, definitely. We see every year this race is won or lost by just a matter of seconds. So every second counts, and you got to take every opportunity as it comes up. Well, you won this race 2 years ago. Last year, a little bit of bad luck. Is it too early to take the overall lead? Well, I hope not, because I got it now, I guess. But look, we got a fantastic squad here. So I've got a lot of faith in the guys. They did a fantastic job for you this afternoon, and puts a lot of responsibility on your shoulders. Did you really think that you could be the man who's dominated the Santos Tour Down Under in the sprints for so many years? No, in fact, I didn't. Looking towards the end of the week, it probably would have been better if Andre had the lead going into tomorrow to give us a bit of a hand to defend. But you know, like I said, you got to take every opportunity that comes up, and you got to go for these stage wins when you can get them. Always good to get a win under the belt, though. Yeah, too right. It's great. This season's starting off like a dream come true so far.